What up mga solid subscribers, no? So ngayon guys, papanoorin po natin mga updates po sa ating girls, no? Okay. Ito po, dito na po sa Billboard K-Power ang ating girls, no? So panoorin natin mga updates, no? Marami akong mga nakikita na isa-isayin natin, no? So bago ko simulan to, no? Kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring the notification bell na rin para updated kayo guys pag ako'y nag-release ng bagong videos, no? Okay? Tuloy na to sa video. Okay. Slow mo pa-slow mo effect. Nakaka-proud, no? Ayan na po sila. Ayan na po sila. Ako ba naka-slow mo? Ay, hindi. Ako normal pala. Sadyang slow motion lang yung ano. These girls are on fire. Let's go.
Hi, we are
Nakakatawa guys. Look at them now. Cute! si Aya tumingin pa.
감사합니다.
Yan, nag-slow mo ulit. Nag-slow mo niya ulit. Grabe sila, nakakatuwa guys. So nag-second look pa sila. Napaka-bait, napaka-humble na itong mga to. Shoutout sa Beanie, no? Okay, tingin pa tayo ng mga updates guys. Wait lang. Okay guys. Ito na po, no? Tinanggap na po ng Beanie yung kanilang award na Voices of Asia. Okay.
standing in front of many incredible... Hi, good evening everybody. Standing in front of many incredible artists and industry leaders is really a dream come true for us, Beanie, and we'd like to thank Billboard Korea because we got to add this experience to our core memory. On behalf of Beanie, it's ultimately an honor and we are so grateful to receive this award, but you see, this award isn't just for us. It's also for those people who believe in us and who have been a part of our journey. From our hardworking team and management, ABS-CBN, to our music label, Star Music, to the composers, songwriters who have contributed such memorable songs for Beanie. Thank you so much. To our support system, our families and friends, to our Blooms, we love you guys. Thank you for your love and dedication.
Let's go Blooms!
Put on to us. And of course, Billboard Philippines, thank you for nominating us and for continuing to champion Filipino music.
Yes, and being here tonight with so many talented artists inspire us to keep pushing boundaries and to share our music with the world. This award reminds us that anything is possible with hard work and dedication. To our fellow artists, we admire and respect each and every one of you. To our fellow P-pop group SB19, thank you so much for inspiring us.
Look at that, guys. For inspiring us, no? So, doon pa lang, guys, so, malaman natin na talaga SB19, talaga sila nagsimula po talaga, no? So, talaga, naging role model din po ng Beanie ang SB19, no?
Thank you so much for inspiring us.
Napaka-humble ng mga batang to.
Yes. We're so excited to be here, and of course, yeah, we're nervous actually because this is our first.
Yeah, it's our first time to be here in Korea together as a group, and we're just full of happy emotions right now.
Yes. Yeah, patuloy po namin iaangat ang musikang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.
Hey.
Thank you.
Nakakatuwa, no? Kasi napaka-humble nila. To the point na thank you sila. Magsabi sila ng kanilang pasalamat sa SB19. No? Syempre guys, no? Doon makikita guys yung respect nila. Doon makikita guys na marunong silang tumanaw ng utang nila. Pero hindi ko sinabi guys na ginabayan sila ng SB19. No? Marami silang ginawa talaga. As in, napakalaking bagay din po talaga na meron din kayong mga tulad niyan, yung mga tao na talagang alam mo yun, parang pillars, no? Isa na rin po yung SB19 doon guys, no? Kumbaga sila po yung naging standard din po talaga na P-pop ng sobrang tagal guys. Actually up to now guys, no? Pero syempre, ang maganda guys is yung Bini guys is sumasabay na rin po sa agos ng SB19, no? So yun po yung pinaka-solid doon guys, no? Kasi talagang unti-unti na pong umaangat ang P-pop, no? Doon ako tutuwa guys, no? Kasi alam na lahat na yun po talaga yung goal natin, which is umangat po talaga yung P-pop, no? Okay? So, I think that's it guys, no? Sobrang solid na, nakakatuwa talaga as in. Actually, I think hindi lang naman talaga ako yung natutuwa sa news na to. Actually, tayo mga Pilipino po, sobrang natutuwa din sa gantong nangyayari, no, sa ating P-pop community, no. Isa na rin po ito yung umaangat na po talaga yung ating P-pop community, no. Na-recognize na po tayo all over the world guys, na as in. Simulan po na SB19 and then sinusundan na po ng Bini, and waiting na po ako kung sino naman po yung susunod na P-pop group na uusbong po talaga, no? Marami na ako nasa isip kung magtutuloy-tuloy lang yung P-pop group na yon. Actually, sila, no? Bibilang sila sa isang kamay ko, no? Yung P-pop group na yun, no? Kung magiging consistent lang sila, hindi sila susuko, no? Ito, sa kamay ko na to, no? Marami tayong P-pop group, pero napiyok pa ako. Marami tayong P-pop group, guys. As in, marami po. Sobra sa dalawang daliri ko. Ay, dalawang daliri. Sa dalawang kamay ko, sobra po dyan na like, yan. Kumbaga, lagpasan po, no? Pero, hindi sila pa ganun ka-consistent unlike sa Bini and SB19. Pero sa daliri ko, sa isang kamay, no, andito po yung 5 P-pop groups na tingin kong may potential po guys na sumunod po sa yapak nila, no. Pero kailangan po nila maging consistent. Meron naman po sila naging consistent naman sila, pero hindi sila katulad ng Bini na talagang super duper consistent, and katulad din ng SB19 na super duper consistent, no. Ayun lang yung mapayo ko, dapat maging consistent sila just like these 2 P-pop groups, no. Wow. Ay. Nakakatuwa. Sobra nakakatuwa siya guys, no? So ayan, suportahan pa sana natin ng SB19 and Bini guys. Suportahan natin sila sa kanilang mga achievements, sa kanilang mga ganap, no? Suportahan natin. So yan, kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring that notification bell para updated kayo guys pag nag-release ako ng bagong videos, no? So maraming salamat sa inyo, no? So as always, this is Boy the Ben signing out. Peace, let's see.